welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you my super honest review on the Ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution. I had talked to you guys about reviewing the just the products that I have gotten from the Ordinary. It's the Deciem company online. They have a bunch of like smaller brands under Deciem. So Ordinary is one of the affordable, really nice line that they have. So I have gotten like 5 or 6 products from them, and I didn't want to just come on camera and talk about the products. I don't want like even one person, like, you know, to go order the product with just me talking about, oh, this is nice or this should be nice, without me having to physically try it. I'm not going to talk about the other products. I am going to be reviewing them very soon. But for today's video, I am going to be talking about the AHA BHA peeling solution from the Ordinary. Now this is what this amazing little bottle of miracle looks like. It was filled to the brim. I have used quite a lot actually, and also you don't need a lot to use on your face. For those of you who don't know what exactly this is right here, I'm going to be telling you and giving you a demo and talking about how it changed my skin. One thing to keep in mind is that what products, be it makeup, be it beauty, be it skincare, works on my skin or works for me may or might not work out for you. And same way, like what something you like, I might not like it. So always keep that in mind. And now I have been using this product from exactly 27th of January, and today is the 16th of March. So yeah, it's well over, or like 2 months. It's been pretty much 2 months of me using this, and which is why I feel like I am in a good place to talk about this product. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. I have Deciem pulled up right here, and I'm going to read exactly what this product does. So this is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial with 30% alpha hydroxy acid, with 2% of BHA, which is basically salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B5, black carrot, and Tasmanian Pepperberry. So these are all the stuff that are in this little bottle right here. So AHA exfoliates the skin's topmost surface for a brighter and more even appearance, and BHA also exfoliates the skin with an extended function to clear pore congestion. This combined 32% AHA BHA solution offers deeper exfoliation to help fight visible blemishes and for improved skin radiance. The formula also improves the appearance of skin texture and reduces the look of fine lines with continued usage. Of course, nothing is a bottle of miracle. I mean, Botox are. So if you want Botox, you could go get rid of fine lines. But this, with regular use, you will see a difference. Now, let's quickly tell you how to actually use this. And I literally follow exactly this. I do nothing of my own. Use ideally in the PM, so evenings and nights. No more frequently than twice per week. Clean face and wait for skin to dry completely. Always do that. Do not use on wet skin. They tell you do not use on wet skin. Apply evenly all over face and neck using your fingertips. Leave on no more than 10 minutes. They specifically tell you that this is a 10-minute exfoliating facial. So do not leave it even an extra minute more than 10 minutes. If persistent irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a physician. I mean, this is a peeling solution, so of course, if you experience any kind of irritation and stuff, go consult your doctor. Now, sunburn alert. That's something to like keep in mind, absolutely. This product contains AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid. That may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and particularly possibility of a sunburn. Use a sunscreen at all times. Wear protective clothing and limit sun exposure while using the product for a week afterward. This is like similar to any skin peeling. If you go to a dermatologist, they tell you the exact same thing. Like, you can't just walk out in the sun. You have to like use loads and loads and loads of sunscreen and just avoid the sun in general for like 5 to 7 days. It's no biggie. So this product retails for $7.20 plus taxes, I'm guessing, because it comes from Canada. It's a Canadian brand. This is what it looks like. It's literally, I call this the vampire facial. Like, have you seen Kim Kardashian's like Instagram like couple years back? She had slathered her face with something red, and this is what it looked like. Of course, this might not be it. She was actually getting a vampire facial. So now I'm going to take my makeup off in front of you guys, and then I'm going to apply this, keep it on for 10 minutes, and rinse it off. Now, of course, I have a shit ton of makeup. So to remove my makeup today, I'm going to be using the Spectrum coconut oil, the organic coconut oil. I ordered this off of Amazon. That much amount. Second, I'm gonna go in with the Clinique Take the Day Off towelettes. I'm gonna quickly go and wash my face off. My face right now is completely dry, squeaky clean, without an ounce of makeup. So I sort of like to take a full drop, put it on my hands. Yep. I think I'm gonna need a little more. So 2 drops. Look. Okay. I'm gonna look at the mirror and do it. I don't even get it anywhere close to the eye, by the way. I have not taken this like above this whole under eye area. Some little extra left that I'm going to put right here because I have a lot of congested pores. And this literally shrinks your pores down, by the way. I feel like I've sucked blood and smeared it all over my face. So I'm going to keep a track. It's 10:15. 10:15 right now. I'm going to take it off exactly at 10:24. I only use it once a week, though they tell you to use it twice a week. But again, my skin is sensitive. I don't want to overdo like a peeling solution. I feel like once a week is perfect. When you use it for the first time, it was tingling like there is no tomorrow. But it's not something that you can't take. It's like a regular chemical peel, just much more lighter. Now, different skin react differently to these. For me, it didn't bother me too much. I feel like whenever there are like congested pores and stuff, I feel a little tingly. I can't tell you guys like what this has done to me personally, and it's a gradual process, guys. Like, nothing is going to happen overnight, but slowly after the second application, I swear I have seen my skin glow. I don't know how to explain it. I don't think you guys can see from the camera, but literally without makeup, I'm not talking about like the acne spots that I have. It's not going to disappear like immediately, but they are lightening up like a lot. But what I notice is that like my skin feels brighter, like visibly brighter without any makeup. So I think for me, that's what this has done. Before I come back to Bombay, I'm going to buy one more of this so I can use it the entire year and like literally see the difference. Because using it like 5 or 6 times, I've seen major difference to my skin, on my skin. My acne scars or spots that I had, few over here, literally have lightened so much. You guys will also see like instantly once I wash this off. I gotta keep checking the time. It's 10:19 right now. Anyway, now I'm just gonna be on my phone while this dries. Oh, recently I've been obsessed with Musical.ly. Do you ever, like, any of you like watching this video, like make videos on Musical.ly or use Musical.ly? Whatever, if you do, just follow me there because I have been obsessing and I'm so hooked. Literally, I have like a million videos already and I have only joined this like 5 days back, I think. So yeah, that's a problem. Now, what time is it? It's 10:23. I'm gonna go wash my face and come back. So this is what my face looks like after I've taken the peeling solution off. To be very honest, I absolutely love this product right here. Of course, you cannot keep it more than 10 minutes on your face, and I tops kept it for 9. Like, with consistent use, which I again, use only once a week helps a lot. Like, I know what my skin looked like before and how it feels and looks like now. This also does one thing. So people who are acne prone, you have these tiny bumps inside your skin. So this, when you use it in the beginning, is going to bring all the bumps to the surface of your skin. So basically you're going to break out a little, only to get clear skin for the long runs. This for me is hands down the best one. And alright guys, so that was all for today's video. If you guys have enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to like or subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!